do the fucking work, and sometimes you have to enjoy life and the small moments. That's it.
My name is Nick and I have a weird life. 6 months ago I left Germany and moved to the Gold Coast in Australia. I worked there in a tech startup, but then the startup didn't exist anymore. Then I left Australia, went to Bali, went to co-working cafes, met different digital nomads, flew from there to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and now I'm here in Da Nang in Vietnam for minimum 3 months. And after that, I will go to Bali, Indonesia again. Last year, I worked a normal 9-to-5 job in Germany. Now I can live my dream life, work as a freelancer, and work on my dream. I'm building Stretchify, a gamified stretching app, which will be live in the App Store in a couple weeks. But I'm not alone. I'm actually with my very close bro and co-founder Liam, and we work both on our goals. While Liam's goal is more pushing his personal brand and working on his trading skills, and for me it's more building my app and also working on my personal brand. If you're interested in short format content, check it out. My name is Nick Sander on all platforms. So guys, we are together in Da Nang in Vietnam. How would you describe our routine every day?
Right now it's not that good, bro.
Yeah.
We are working sometimes like into the night, 3 a.m. in the morning, and then wake up like at 9, 8. We have to get a better routine.
Yeah, we still need to work on it and also take stretching more seriously with my app Stretchify. But today at like 7 or 8 p.m. we want to go for a run and into the calisthenics park. But now we also order lunch. And as you can see, this is our work setup. I can show it to you. So this is Liam's office desk and his office chair. And this is my space. Working on my app Stretchify, Claude is running nonstop. And now we watch some YouTube and enjoy lunch. Okay guys, good wonderful evening on this beautiful Monday. And today is actually finally the first week over of Da Nang. Which is
It's crazy.
And now we got bun bao, which is, yeah, one of the most famous food I think in Vietnam.
It looks interesting.
Yeah, it's
I can
with
show
pork.
it.
Yeah, looks very interesting.
Fresh, warm.
It cost us 2, 4, 30,000, so 15k each, which is this much in euro and US dollar. Okay, let's just try. Yeah, maybe our last meal.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Not bad at all.
not bad. But I thought it's just pork, but it's even with vegetables and egg. But
Hopefully we will not get sick
no,
from that.
no, hopefully not. But
So
yeah, looks cool.
we will see.
Yeah, see you later. What are my current plans for today, for the week? The week is still early, we just started, and we have like a day-to-day plan which we need to follow. So my plan for today is to work for the next few hours, also work on my freelancing job because I need to fund my life here somehow. But I don't only do the freelancing job for money, but also to work on my marketing skills and on my software development skills. If you want to check out what my app is about, check the link in the description or apply as a beta tester at nicksander.com/beta. I need a lot of testers for iOS and Android. Plan for today is to work, then pick up our laundry from the laundry shop, go to the gym, maybe go for a quick walk or something the evening, order dinner, show you the rooftop pool and sauna, which is absolutely insane. I didn't see a rooftop pool like this before. Enjoy this vlog. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you didn't yet. Welcome to Da Nang, Vietnam. Good wonderful morning from Da Nang, Vietnam. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite cloudy actually in Da Nang, but it's still very hot. As you can see, I'm on the balcony. I'm going to cut Liam's hair right now, and then I'm going to cut my hair, but just the sides like a taper, and at the back I will give you a quick time lapse, and then I will go to the gym in the evening, probably sauna into the pool, in the later evening, and I think we will order some dinner or lunch or whatever. Enjoy the time lapse, and let's see if I will fuck up Liam's haircut or not.